Alright guys, this is the materials I'm going to be using to make the homemade bench vise. I got 2-inch angle, 1-inch angle, a C-clamp with a quick release, and a stainless rod and a steel rod. I'm going to use the stainless rod to weld the steel to the cast of the C-clamp, and then I'm going to use the steel rod to weld the 1-inch to the spindle of the C-clamp. Alright, but I gotta clean up this first and get started. I'm gonna be using the Primeweld TIG 225 to weld this up. I got it cleaned up right around where the weld is gonna be. And I'm gonna have my flow set at 15 on a number 5 cup. Here it is finished, mounted on the vise. The quick release still works. If y'all like this content, I have more coming up. Please stay tuned, like and subscribe, and y'all have a nice day.